Hello guys, this is Nick. Welcome to Life Vibe, where we do walking tours of different interesting places. In this video, we are on board the Royal Caribbean Navigator of the seas. If you're looking for a fun-filled adventure while cruising, the FunZone is the perfect place to be. Located on Deck 13, the FunZone is home to some of the most thrilling and exciting activities, including the FlowRider, Riptide, the Blaster, and rock wall climbing. The FlowRider is a popular attraction that simulates the feeling of surfing on real waves. You can test your surfing skills on the FlowRider or watch others take on the waves from the nearby seating area. Riptide is another adrenaline-pumping ride, where you'll hop on a mat and slide down a twisting, turning waterslide at high speeds. If that's not enough, head over to the Blaster, a waterslide with uphill sections that'll leave you screaming with excitement. With so many exciting activities to choose from, it's no wonder why it's one of the most popular spots on the ship. From the adventurous to the laid-back, there's something for everyone in this action-packed play zone. Join us as we take you on a walking tour of the FunZone and discover all the amazing activities and experiences waiting for you on board. So get ready to unleash your inner child and let the fun begin.
Other guests who have already completed the mandatory safety briefing and can now focus on enjoying their time on board. The sooner everyone checks in at their assigned station, the sooner everyone can start their vacation. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you for joining me on this walking tour of the Royal Caribbean Navigator of the Seas. I hope you enjoyed exploring this incredible ship as much as I did. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more travel content. We appreciate your support and would love to hear your feedback in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.